In the heart of a serene Vietnamese village, where the morning sun casts a golden glow over rice fields and bamboo groves, our family's tiny bakery comes alive with the scent of freshly baked Ban Nuong Nhan Dua, traditional coconut cakes that carry the essence of our heritage. Inside our rustic workshop, with its cracked walls and creaky tin roof, a giant tray of these golden delights has just emerged from the clay oven, its surface glistening and warm, the air thick with the sweet aroma of coconut and caramelized dough. This is more than a treat. It's a piece of history, a recipe handed down from my grandmother, who taught my parents the delicate balance of flaky crust and rich coconut filling, a secret that has been cherished in our family for generations. Today, we're sharing this timeless tradition with you, from the moment the cakes leave the oven to their journey to local markets, all crafted with love in our humble village. My parents, both in their 50s, have spent decades perfecting this craft, their hands moving with a rhythm born of years of dedication. As the tray cools slightly on the worn wooden table, my father takes his place, his steady hands gripping a sharp knife with care. He begins slicing the large golden sheet of Ban Nuong Nhan Dua into small, perfect triangles, each cut revealing the creamy white coconut filling nestled within, a sight that never fails to bring a smile to his face. The knife glides smoothly through the layers, creating a satisfying crunch that echoes in the quiet workshop. Each triangle is a work of art, a bite-sized piece of Vietnam's soul, shaped not just by skill, but by the love of a father who has poured his life into providing for his family. In our farming village, these cakes are a beloved treat, often shared during festivals or enjoyed with neighbors over cups of green tea, their unique triangular shape adding a modern twist to a timeless recipe. As my father cuts, my mother stands nearby, her hands equally skilled but tasked with a different role. She begins the wrapping process, her fingers moving with precision and care as she picks up each triangle and places it onto a delicate sheet of paper. The paper, thin and slightly translucent, crinkles softly as she folds it around the cake, ensuring every piece is protected yet still visible, its golden hue peeking through. Her movements are gentle, almost reverent, as if she's wrapping not just a cake, but a piece of her heart. She stacks the wrapped triangles into small piles, her face glowing with quiet pride as she works. This isn't just packaging, it's a ritual, a way to share our family's love with the world. Once wrapped, she places the cakes into sturdy plastic bags, sealing them with a simple twist tie, each bag a promise of joy for whoever receives it. In our village, these bags are a familiar sight, often handed out to children who run to our door or shared with neighbors who stop by to chat. But the journey of these coconut triangle cakes doesn't end here. Once the bags are ready, my parents shift to the final step, preparing the cakes for distribution. They carefully pack the bags into sturdy cardboard boxes, stacking them with precision to ensure nothing gets crushed during transport. My father lifts each box, his hands strong despite years of labor, while my mother double-checks the count, ensuring every order is perfect. These boxes are destined for local wholesalers, small shops, and markets in nearby towns, places where our village's traditions can reach a wider audience. It's a labor-intensive process, but for my parents, it's worth every moment. They know that each box carries not just cakes, but the story of our family, the resilience of our village, and the flavors of Vietnam that have been passed down through generations. As they load the boxes onto a small cart, ready to be driven to the drop-off points, there's a sense of fulfillment in their eyes, a quiet pride in knowing their hard work will bring joy to others. This bakery, with its simple tools and unassuming walls, is more than a workplace. It's a sanctuary of tradition in a rapidly modernizing Vietnam. My parents' handmade craft stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity, a reminder that some things, like the taste of a coconut triangle cake fresh from the oven, can't be replicated by machines. Every step, from baking to slicing, wrapping to packing, is infused with their love and dedication. They've spent their lives here, not for fame or fortune, but to give us, their children, a better future, and to keep our heritage alive. As the sun sets over our village, casting long shadows across the workshop, I can't help but feel a deep sense of gratitude. These coconut triangle cakes are more than a dessert. They're a bridge between past and present, a taste of home that I'm honored to share with the world. From our oven to your screen, these coconut triangle cakes carry the heart of Vietnam in every bite. Imagine the warmth of the freshly baked crust, the sweetness of the coconut filling, and the love of a family poured into every piece. This is our story, told through the flavors of our village, the hands of my parents, and the journey of these cakes to markets far and wide. Subscribe to join us on this journey, share this unique tradition with others, and let us know in the comments. Would you try these coconut triangle cakes? What's your favorite dessert that tells a story of your own family?